Hey, this is a video how to remove a conductor plate in a valve body on a 7229 transmission. This is off a 2006 Mercedes S500, and they're called 7G transmission. Alright, we're using an E11 socket. I don't remember what these are called. They're like the stars. We're gonna loosen it up just to drain the oil. For now, there's some leftover oil. So now we're gonna remove the oil filter. Just pops out. Now we're using a T30 Torx. We're taking off all of the Torx screws. They're holding the valve body to the transmission housing. Take out all of the screws once you unscrew them. And just make sure you remember where you're taking them out of, because there's two different types. We're not going to be putting it back together, so for us it doesn't really matter. And for you, if you're replacing the valve body or the conductor plate, you do not need the transmission off. It's just we have the transmission off already for other reasons, and it's a lot easier to make a good video instead of trying to make a video under a car in the dark. So alright, so most important part. So this plug, this is on 7G transmissions. This plug needs to be pushed down. They do seize up a little bit on top, so you kind of have to be really careful with it, because if you start yanking on the valve body, you will break the plug off the conductor plate. So what we do is we take a flathead and we just push it down from the top down and just kind of slowly pull out the valve body. But don't yank on the valve body, because you will break the plug. The plug is plastic, so don't put too much pressure. You gotta be really patient with it. Just draining oil. Alright, so this is the valve body and the conductor plate off the transmission. So this is the plug you have to be really careful with. They break very easily. These are solenoids. There's black and green caps. From what I know, is they're two different types. And this is your conductor plate, the plastic black piece. This is the plate or conductor plate that has your VIN number stored in. So you can't just swap these over. They need to be flashed and programmed. We do provide that service. If you're interested, just let us know. They have 3 different versions. This is version 1. Alright, so like I said, this is the version 1. Usually it would indicate 2 or 3 right there. This one does not show that, so usually it's the basic or the first version of it. And here I have a version 3 or VGS 3. See how it has the 3? The other one would have a 2 instead, the 3. Alright, so we're using a T30 Torx. We're removing the conductor plate now off of the valve body. So just kind of look at the screws you're taking off, because there is some valve body screws and there is conductor plate screws. Alright, so we're using a T40 Torx to remove the solenoids. And don't mix up the solenoids, make sure they're always in the right place. Alright, so once you take those brackets off, holding down the solenoids, you will be able to get the conductor plate loose, and just start pulling on it and all the solenoids should come out with the conductor plate. So we have the conductor plate off. This is your valve body. And this is inside the transmission once you remove the valve body and the conductor plate. then this is your oil pump for transmission as well, the darker piece.